Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean your AirPods. This is the case I got for my AirPods. First, I take them out of the case. Then I like to grab some Clorox wipes. Do this first, round it. Clean out some of this gunk around it. You could wash these, which I'm gonna do. Well, I'm just going around it with disinfect a little bit. Next, I'm gonna open them. Check them out. It's real filthy. It's not so bad. Next, we're gonna grab some alcohol. You could do more than 70%, but I like them 70%. And if you have some kind of little kit with a brush, perfect. Let's take some of these things out. Next, fill the alcohol up in a little cap here. We're gonna need some Q-tips. Grab the Q-tip, dip, and you start to scrub around. Get all this gunk coming out. Put the alcohol all over the headphone there, the little AirPod. The top, don't forget the top. Let it dry for a little bit. dry. Remove that white thing so you can get down and dirty over here. Get it first here up top. Okay, take that crap off. Get in there. There you go. This bad boy is dry. Move on to the cases. I like to go around. To the top. Where all this thing? Try to really get in there. If you want to, you can dump these in a little thing of alcohol. Shouldn't be a big deal. Just leave it there for like a minute or two and just let it air dry. Disclaimer: I'm not responsible if anything happens to your headphones. This is the way I clean it. I repeat, this is the way I clean it. Do this like it's your ears or something real quick. Just poop, 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 poop. Then I grab this little brush. You can see it. Yep. I go in. You could even blow on it if you want. Like if it's a Super Nintendo. I like to go here too, again with the brush. All around it, guys, all around it. Just try to get some of that nasty gunk out. All right. Looking a lot better already. Look at that, guys. Oh, I see I missed a little thing here. Hold up. Can use my other thing right here. My little brush and just go bloop. Then you just keep it open, let it air dry. Bam. Okay. Oh, sorry. Put it this way if you want, whatever. Move all this trash over here. Alright, then I grab these little things. I just go in here like this. Try to Really get on here. Blow on it real quick. Do the same thing with the other one. Okay. All right. Then I grab this little dust thing right here, right? I just kind of pat it. Little microfiber towel, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna clean these things, look. Make sure you get underneath by her, okay? Now for this one, I look around, see if there's any kind of little thing after the wipes. Wipe it down a little bit, yep. For this one, I'm gonna use the brush. Same thing, grab a Q-tip, dip it, and scrub around. Just to get some of that gunk out, you feel me? Get this bad boy air out. Come back to these if you want. If you got these, you can use a brush like this. This really does the trick, honestly, for the little ear sections that music comes out from. The little grill thing right there. You can use a brush. I like to just scrub as much as I can and then use the little towel here. Wipe it down a little bit. Use this little thing here. Blow on it. For a little good luck, you know what I'm saying? Alright, then I go put this joint back. Bah. Bah. The little Star Wars joint. Look how clean these joints look now. Oh, wait, I missed a spot. See what I mean? You gotta get underneath. Check the other one. Oh, this one's good, but still, give it a little. Look at these joints. Yes, sir. You can clean this bottom too, you know, be on the safe side real quick. Yeah. These is ready to go, as you can see. Bam, bam, bam. Put these joints back where I hurt. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. This joint back in here. And now they disinfect it, you know what I'm saying? Hold up, let me see if I'm doing this right. This one's always a little tricky. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this case is always a little tricky. But it's doing its thing. Its thing. Put this joint back here. Put these back where they belong. Dump this joint. You should be all set. Maybe subscribe, please, and like the video. Appreciate that. 1